The new 2011 Ford Mustang starts with a 3.7-liter 4VTi VCT V6 engine and achieves an industry-exclusive 305 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque while delivering an EPA-estimated 31 highway miles per gallon. Mustang now features a standard 6-speed manual transmission and an available 6-speed automatic transmission, both delivering a smooth shifting performance. Inside, there's the industry's first MyKey with owner controls that allow you to enforce your specific driving restrictions. Available Ford exclusive Sync lets you activate your phone, music, and more. And the available navigation system and integrated Sirius Travel Link provides directions, real-time traffic information, and gas prices. Advanced Track electronic stability control standard on Mustang gives you more confidence and control behind the wheel under slippery road conditions. The 2011 Ford Mustang. All legend, no compromises.